welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. It is well with you in Jesus' name. Yeah. Say amen. Okay, so today we're gonna learn a very sweet chord progression voicing, right, on the keyboard today. And just help me click the like button while you are watching this video, yeah, because I'm sure you will like it. So just click it with faith, act in faith, and click the like button. All right, so let's see what we have today, and let me know what country you are watching from. Yeah, I like engaging you. I just like, you know, getting that. Okay, this tutorial is getting to France, is getting to Russia, is getting to this country, that country, right? Great places. So Ghana, Cameroon, and co. So all right, so let's just take this up from here again. So today we are learning a 6251, 6251. The tonic suffer for that goes la re so do, la re so do. So we're gonna be in the key of C sharp. So today we're gonna be the key of D flat, E flat, F, G flat, A flat, B flat, C, and D flat. And then the 6251 is B flat. The 6 is B flat. The 2 is E flat. The 5 is A flat. Then the 1 is what's it called? D flat. So it goes la. So let me play the la re so do. So maybe like it comes in a progression of 7 3 6 2 5 1. So like, for you a great one, you do 7 3 then 6 2, there is 5 1 like you. So that's like the number system. So but let me show you the chord I want to teach you. So the chord goes like this. For you are great, you do miracles. So we have 6 2 5 1 4. Let me start by showing you. You know, I'm playing it so that I will show you. Yeah. All right. So on our left we have I'll just call the number. So we have a 6 3 and 7. 6 3 and 7. The key of D flat. On right you have a 1 5 1 right, 5 right, 7, and then 9. I'm also looking at the camera to be sure that you can see what I'm calling. All right, yeah. So yeah, it's always been very cool, right, from our recent recent tutorials. So the next chord we have should I call the numbers? Okay, flat 5, flat 9. What was I doing? Flat 5, flat 9, flat 13. All right, then we have a 6 3, augmented fifth, that's a sharp 5, then our 7. So it goes like this. So first chord, second chord, third chord. We have on left we have a 5 2 6, 5 2 6, right? Okay, so 5 2 6. Sorry for the name number, rather I should have done the extensions. Then we have a flattened 7th, 11 13, and then 1. So we have 1 2 3. Make sure you get the right chord so you don't play what is wrong. Right, then 1. So 1 is just D flat major, D flat dominant 13. So that's a 1 5, flatted 7 9 11 13. So it goes pra, 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 pra. Then you go to 4. You know, I've given you a lot of 4 chords. So after the 7, but at 6 2 5 1 4 3 6 2 5 1. I have a lot of other chords also on this channel. This is one of over 500 piano tutorials on this channel. So make sure you click them and watch them. God bless you. Make sure you click the subscribe button. Thank you and bye. God bless you.